Plant-based keto meal prep under 2 carbs. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you plant-based keto meal prep for you that is super, super low carb. In fact, it's 2 net carbs or under for each thing that I'm going to be showing you. So grab your chopping board, grab your knife. We're going to do some meal prep, and a special thank you to Food Lion for sponsoring today's video. You can go down in the description link below to get your Food Lion delivery or pickup, which is listed down below. So the first thing for our keto meal prep is we're going to use our plant-based dips that I got from Food Lion. Food Lion has the most awesome plant-based dips that are actually really keto friendly too, in addition to being plant-based. These only have 2 net carbs for the queso style dip. You'll notice in there, look at the ingredients by the way. It's like cauliflower, fresh pepper. It's really clean ingredients. Cucumber. So I got the buffalo dill dip, the tzatziki dip, and then also the queso dip. The queso dip is absolutely my favorite. It's literally tastes like real queso, but it's only 2 net carbs. It's basically 1 net carb per tablespoon of it. So I'm scooping out and I'm going to portion out for myself because I can eat more dip than unless I have it portioned out. So I'm using 1/4 cup, which is basically 4 net carbs. But normally I would literally just do like 1 tablespoon, which is 1 net carb. I was feeling footloose and fancy free though. I'm going to put them in these awesome glass containers, which I will link down below. They are literally the best glass containers. We've used them since my kid was having baby food, homemade baby food. So we've had them for quite some time, and they've held up really, really well for things like meal prep, my keto meal prep. But Food Lion made this really simple with the different queso ones, and it's actually one of the best prices I have found. I've shopped at a lot of different grocery stores for these dips. They can be expensive, not at Food Lion. And I actually was quite impressed how price point wise this was for meal prep. It really wasn't that expensive. So I'm literally taking out of the container because I'm doing 1/4 cup portions, which is more than the average bear. Like normally you would just do 2 tablespoons and be completely happy. So I'm getting 3 containers, 3 1/4 containers per package of them. Well worth it. Best keto snack ever, by the way. And for literally 4 net carbs for that huge thing. Normally I wouldn't do the huge thing. Normally it would be 6 different portions for keto snacks. But the buffalo dip we're going to use for something else. I'm not going to portion that one right yet, but you'll see in a future video more about it. Okay, let's dive in. I'm loving all of my produce. Food Lion does have great produce at an amazing price point, and that is on budget. So that's my first thing. For meal prep on a budget, get it from Food Lion. Literally great produce, great price point. You can get organic or do the best that you can afford. But the first thing that I'm going to do in terms of my snacks is the actual highest carb for the entire video right now, which is chopping up my peppers. It's literally 4 net carbs for 1 cup of peppers. And if you're wanting to incorporate more plant-based foods into your ketogenic diet, or having vegan keto, this is an option. Literally 1/2 cup of peppers is only 2 net carbs. And literally they're crunchy, they're tasty with the different colors. For me, I like having like the red, the yellow, the green, the orange. You can get different ones. And my little boy actually liked these quite a bit. I do have a bowl, if you'll notice, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about it for my meal prep in the back, to make it really, really simple to make meal prep go very, very quickly. But I'm simply just chopping these up so I can use them as snacks, as a keto snack for 2 carbs, or literally that 1/2 cup of that. Or I can chop them up to put into some eggs for some high protein. If you're wanting to saute into into a side for your keto dinner or for a keto meal, this is a great plant-based meal prep idea to do. Is just chop it up, get it ready, get it washed. Now the next thing that we have that is literally 1 net carb for an entire cup. 1 net carb for a full cup. And by the way, some people in my last video were giving me shizzle about having, oh, those are all those carbs. Hello, it's 1 carb for a full cup of celery. So it's really not that many carbs, actually. It's a great way to get filler in if you're wanting to chew, and if you find yourself mindlessly eating. For me, it's been a wonderful combat to that of having a 1 net carb for a full cup. I'm chopping these up because my little boy actually loves them. For the organic celery from Food Lion, literally it was $4 for the entire thing. And I got 7 different items out of it, which we're going to talk about in a minute. I'm going to use the leftover pieces in my bowl for food stock, but literally it equated to 50 cents a keto snack for an organic keto snack at that. But again, do the best you can afford, but literally it's not expensive, super, super easy. I'm chopping up these mushrooms. Mushrooms are 1 net carb for a full cup. Celery is 1 net carb for a full cup. Peppers are 2 net carbs for a half a cup. You'll notice I'm taking the tops off of those mushrooms because I'm going to use them to bake for a plant-based keto recipe that I have coming up in a future video. But again, super, super simple. Food Lion's made it really easy to go ahead and pick up the vegetables for my meal prep. And again, I'm going to go back over. I found out I had actually even more celery than I thought. So I'm chopping these up. I'm going to put that into a sauteed side later on in the week. Again, 1 full cup is 1 net carb. So I'm really incorporating a lot more celery in this week's meal prep just because it's so much. And you can saute it, by the way. Like, you don't have to eat it raw. You can saute it into soups or put it into different dishes, things like that. It's really, really easy. So we ended up getting 7 portions out of that entire thing of celery. Again, less than 50 cents for those things. And I can make my vegetable food stock, which we'll talk about later. Okay, so those were the snacks that we had. Then the next couple of things that I did end up getting from my Food Lion haul was, oh, by the way, I'm cutting up those peppers really weirdly. On TikTok, I saw that you could cut it that way. It didn't work out so well for me. I had to take a lot of the seeds. I didn't execute that super well, but that's okay. Okay, so the next things that I do have was zucchini, 1 full cup, 2 net carbs. Using squash, yellow squash, again, 1 full cup, 2 net carbs. Having a whole variety, but here's what I found my secret is. Literally, if I don't do this right as I get home, I don't do it. And so having it all cut up, chopped up, my little boy eats more vegetables. My hot husband, who looks like Thor, eats more vegetables. I eat more vegetables when they're chopped, prepared, and ready to go. If they're just sitting in the baggies, I don't do anything with them. And then they'll get moldy and I throw them away and I feel horribly guilty. So I'm not trying to do that. I'm actually trying to do meal prep on a budget and make sure that nothing goes to waste. So that's why we're putting them also in the clear containers so I can see. There's Applesauce, our dog. She wanted to help with meal prep too. She said, Food Lion, I want to help you guys with your meal prep as well. If you all do have kids going back to school, which my little boy started to just get ready to go back to school, having these as little snack things too have been really easy to make his lunch in the morning. My boy's 5, and so I'm still helping with part of his lunches and putting them together. Having this already pre-parceled has made it super simple. But I do love those chopped up mushrooms, for example. They're really easy to dump in meals. That is my dump bowl, so I don't have to continuously go to the garbage can. It's a meal prep time-saving hack. Have a garbage bowl of where you can put all of your produce and all your plant-based meal prep in there. Now you can do other plant-based things, of course. I'm focusing just in on like vegetarian keto items, but of course you can do lots of other things from Food Lion too. They have so many plant-based items that you could check out. Here's organic cucumbers, organic squash, and zucchini. I do like to use that zucchini, by the way, for a keto dinner. I use that as my pasta just because, again, that squash right there, 1 full cup is 2 net carbs. 1 full cup is 2 net carbs. I mean, really, it's a lot of volume for little carbs. And again, on the last video with Food Lion, I did get some viewers saying, oh, those are so many carbs. It's actually not that many carbs, boo. Literally 1 full cup is 1 net carb of the celery. Same thing with the peppers. Half a cup is 2 net carbs. It's a tremendous amount of volume. And literally, this took me maybe 30 minutes total, but it was in the meal prep for the entire week. Now I have my plant-based keto meal prep for the entire week. It's really simple for my entire family. We're a household of 3, and then we have 2 fur babies. But literally so super simple. That is the Nature's Promise, by the way, for the Food Lion's organic stuff. If you're interested in getting it, it comes wrapped like that. That makes it really, really easy to go ahead and wash and peel and chop up and put into the bags. And again, I do like to use glass containers best I can, but I ran out of glass containers and I'm doing the best I can. That's the goal, right? Do the best that we can on our weight loss journey. So I've lost 70 pounds through keto, through intermittent fasting, and through the pandemic. I've been trying different things, and having these tips for meal prep for me have been awesome. It's been very, very helpful knowing that I have things that are freshly prepared, and I really do look at this like it's me time, that I'm doing self-care and the next loving choice. You guys know I love saying the next loving choice. Do make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you click subscribe if you haven't already done so to see more keto meal prep and more plant-based keto meal prep as well. And go check out foodlion.com down in the description link below. I do have for their pickup and for their grocery delivery as well. You definitely should take advantage of it because it's awesome, and this produce was really, really amazing. I highly recommend the plant-based stuff. Make sure you join my Countess of Low Carb Facebook group as well. It's totally free. And check us out the next time that we come back. A special thank you again to Food Lion for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys again soon. Be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Bye, guys.